Good job, Alex.
Skeleton time.
You gonna do it, skeleton?
Get it to a wreck.
Good, Luke. Perfect. Hey, Mace, we want to see you go down on the snowboard, okay? Mason's going to ride his snowboard. Watch out, Macy, okay? Good job, Mace! Watch out, Al! Uh-oh.
Can I go with you?
Sure. Why don't you guys go one more time? I'll take some more film, okay? Uh-oh. Oh, wiped him out. Attaboy, Al. Oh, sure, I'm sorry. Dad's right here.
Alright, we'll go down one more time on this.
Good job, Mace. Look at him go all the way.
Now can you go with me?
One more time. I just want to take a little bit of video and then I'm going to go with you. Careful, careful, there's people behind you. I'll tell you when. I'll tell you when. Give it a minute. Give him a minute, honey. And clear. Now what are you doing?
Mommy, get on the sled.
Go, John. Bend those knees, John. You got it. Bend the knees. Oh, good job, John. Coming up. Good, Mace. Oh.
Watch out! Oh, yeah!
Look, he went all the way down there.
Yep,
sure.
Let me take a picture of you with your sled. Look here. Look here. Look at Mom. Look here. Hold your sled. Give me a smile. Real smile. Look at the camera. I'm ready. All right.
Hey.
Here.
Thanks, Mace. Ellie?
You look here.
You guys should go together. You'll go really far.
Okay, here. Stop going on the front and he's going on that.
Okay. Look at them go.
Ready, Dad?
Yes, I am. Okay, Allie. Uh-oh. All right, Alex. Oh, attaboy.
That's pretty good for a 6-year-old.
Sure is.